Hey friends, if you wish to find your IP address from command prompt or CMD, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Search for command prompt or CMD, anything that you want to, and open the normal one. The administrator one is not required. Type ipconfig and hit enter. Now it will take you to it will offer a lot of information. One of them would be the wireless LAN adapter Wi-Fi data. So in this, there's something called as the IPv4 address, which is your IP address. In my case, it is 192.168.1.7, and then it would also mention the default gateway. So you can use this information. Okay, this is how you can find the IP address you from command prompt. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.